here the car is in the sun, so you can check out that paint. Car is running. Of course, you're going to see the little dents and dings throughout when you're out here. You can see that. Okay, we're going to do a cold start. It's been sitting for about, I'd say, 14 hours now. Climate controlled environment, of course, though. Cold. Pretty tough to pull. And then you have a little notch here and lift. So this is a cold start. Alright, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. The first thing you'll notice is the steering wheel is crooked, and then this cap does pop out. Very easy to shift on this car. I'm going to hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes feel decent. There's no power steering, so you got to give it a little bit of muscle there. Was pushing on the gas all the way the whole time to get it to get up and go. Definitely doesn't want to go quick. That is all the way there. Now we're in fourth gear. Shifting those super easy. Third, back into second. Really easy there. Like I said, no power steering, so you really got to put muscle into that. Looks like the temp gauge here is in-op and does not work. First. Seems like it wants to hesitate a lot. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle. So first thing to note, when you're walking around the car, you're gonna see it's kind of like that bright highlighter yellow. Now you do have mismatched panels, so the hood is a little bit different than the fender, and it's a little bit different than the doors. And so it looks like it's been painted a couple times throughout the years. And so if you can see that transition, that is different from the back. And you're gonna see a lot of dimples in the paint, little imperfections. You got the orange peel. So it's not a perfect car just walking around it, but still, you know, here 4 or 5 feet away, it still looks really good. Then looking at the tires, date code 2019 on all 4. They're 195/70/14s. So looking at that fender, I got a little crack here, typical orange peel. Get up close on some of those details. Got a chip there, a couple more. This looks really nice. And these tires are very clean, checking that out. They look brand new. Even though they're 19s, they look near new. Ton of tread left. Looking at that wheel, overall in great condition, could use a good polish. Looking in here, trying to scan through that. I know it's hard to see in there. Get up close, you're gonna see the chipping. There's some rust right there. Little flaws, a little crack there. That looks good. Little paint runs, things like that. You can see a crack in the paint there with some rust. Get up close on the jams, you're gonna just see typical flaws. Looking at that quarter panel, a couple little gashes and chips. I see the little flaws there. That works good. Once again, wheel overall in great condition. It could use a good polish. You get up close, of course you're gonna see the pitting and the flaws. But you have a good surface there. I don't see any rash. Looking at these tires, look how clean that is. They look really, really nice. Clarity on those look good. You're gonna see a lot of orange peel and texture in this hood. I see some little kind of wrinkles in the metal, little divots. Get super close, you're gonna see little flaws there. I know my camera is not gonna focus on that, but little things like that. Now that looks perfect. Look at that, super nice. Try to get underneath here. See some overspray on the components. It's kind of dark in here. Radiator looks good. I'm gonna go a little quicker on this side. You already know kind of the overall condition. This side's very similar. Little chips and stuff, typical flaws in the paint. But for the most part, looks like the body's straight. Got some cracks there. Wheel looks good. Looks like all these emblems are brand new. I mean, look how clean that is. Overall looks good. Got the glass, no window tint on there. Nice and clear. A little faded on the taillights. Same there. Get up close on that bumper. You're gonna see the dry rotting on that trim. You can see the chrome is kind of flaking. Let's get underneath here, looking at that muffler. That looks good. All right, checking out the interior. Love these seats, they look amazing. Super, super cool. Here on that door panel, upper section, scanning through that. That looks good. Nice and clean. You're gonna see some separation here. It's kind of popping out just a little bit, but that's on there really good. Hold the window up, good. Right there, it's really hard, and then it gets a lot easier. But that does work. Looking in the jams, you can see that. Overall, that looks good. Like I said, the seats here look amazing, super cool. You can see the steering wheel. It is crooked. This should be on the bottom, and then this little cap does pop off. It's just kind of sitting on there. You got a cover for the dash, so I'm not sure what the underside looks like. I imagine it was pretty tore up, so they flip-flopped that and did that cover. You're going to see the typical wiring, so you can see all the wiring here to the speakers. You've got the amp under here. I know it's tough to see, it's dark, if you can see that. And then you got the custom speakers here. You can see in there. Trying to move stuff around, there you go. You're going to see typical flaws here. Those are a little dingy. You got the Pioneer. You see some cracks on that plastic. You see that one's broken off. Looking at that carpet, it looks amazing. On that interior, that looks really nice. Get up close here on the jams. You're gonna see some of that kind of falling off. Little flaws here and there. Like I said, it's a little rough around the edges. Could still be a fun project, or just kind of cruise around in it like this. Here on this door panel, upper section looks good. Looks like it's missing the covers here. Handles on there nice and secure. That looks good. Same here. Looks good. That works really nice. Looking at the jams. Looks good. Seats are amazing. These things are super cool. Love the little detail on them, and they are in great condition. Looking at that headliner, from what I can tell here, once again, very nice. Carpets look good. That's in great condition. You're going to see some typical flaws under there. For the most part, that looks good. You're going to see some wires. This interior is super cool. You can see that is busted off. Got the plastic cover, so I don't know what the dash looks like underneath, but that cover looks good. And then looking behind the seats, you do have some speakers, and you're going to see a lot of exposed wiring just kind of sitting back there. Okay, we're going to scan through this, and we have a ton of photos as well of the engine bay. Just going to kind of scan and stop. See some wires down there.